Guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. I'm going to show you guys how I organize my closet. Right here in front of me is all of my cleaning supplies that I have in my hallway closet. I think I'm going to end up going to downsize some of this. Some of these items I don't use anymore. So my next door neighbor, she works for a cleaning company, and if I don't need any of these, I'm gonna go see if she would like to have them. I'm gonna be going on a break on buying cleaning products until I downsize all of this stuff and use up all these items here. Here's what my closet looks like. Me and the kids for the last week, we've just been throwing the stuff in here without putting things away correctly. We had to pretty much shove everything in it just to be able to shut the door. And the other day I kind of got a little frustrated with it because I was trying to find some Windex cleaner and I couldn't find it. So now I'm going to go ahead and just get in here and organize this cleaning closet. The first thing I'm going to do is pull out everything out of my closet, and I'm going to put it in piles so I can organize it. Thank you, my friends, for coming back and checking out my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jacqueline, and I'm so glad that you guys decided to check out my channel. If you can, please don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know that you're new here. And also, if you could do a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, that helps out my channel. It's all free for you guys. All it does is help YouTube know that you guys like my content, and it will help push out my content to other friends that could join our YouTube family here. And if you have been here for a long time and haven't subscribed yet, please do that too. I will appreciate that. I'm going to be laying out my cleaning products on my coffee table so then I can see exactly what I have.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies.
I had no idea how much I was hoarding in this cleaning closet. Here is the fun part where I'm going to be organizing and putting the stuff back into my closet. The reason why I couldn't find my glass cleaner is because I had ran out of that, so I'm going to put that on my grocery list. I'm going to create a cleaning caddy for upstairs, so Jean or whenever I'm up there cleaning, I don't have to run up and down the stairs. So I'm going to be adding all-purpose cleaner. And we're going to go ahead and add the toilet bowl cleaner for upstairs. I'm going to add a baking soda scrub for the upstairs, and all you're doing is you're going to get a baking soda, and then you're going to add a few drops of your favorite essential oils. I'm going to be using Citrus Bloom, sorry about that guys, and you can use this for your toilet, your bathtub, even on your carpet to freshen it up. This is a great, easy recipe for you guys to do. With me organizing my cleaning closet, I did not want to go out and buy anything for it, so I shopped my house, and I'm gonna use Logan's bookshelf. On the bottom shelf, I'm going to be adding our bulk items, which are dish soap, hand soap, and all-purpose cleaner. And then I'll probably add a couple more items that we don't use on a regular basis. Leave a comment below and letting me know what your favorite cleaning product is, or your favorite cleaning, I guess, gadget.
You're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting.
At this point, I was getting a little overwhelmed because I was trying to figure out where to put everything, but I just have to keep telling myself that it doesn't have to be perfect and that we can always reorganize it later if it's not working for us. So if you're like me who overthinks organization on how to do these things, just take a break and then come back to it. Or you could just tell yourself, like I do, if it doesn't work, it's okay. You could just rechange it later.
It is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Here is a reminder of what the closet had looked like before. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think about the organization in my cleaning closet. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how I organize my cleaning products. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.